Good morning children. Today we are going to study two chapters of GK, that is 18 and 19. One is country facts and the other one is scientific feats. Okay, so here the first chapter, 18 chapter, country facts. Here are the names of some countries, and its capitals are given. Write the name of their respective major city using the help box. So this is a textbook. You have to open the lesson and see the help box. Here given some names of the cities, large cities or the major cities of these countries: Johannesburg, New York City, Sydney, Istanbul, Zurich, Shanghai, Sao Paulo, Mumbai, Casablanca and Toronto. These are the important cities or major cities in particular countries here. Now the first country given is Australia and its flag is given and its capital is Canberra. Canberra is the federal capital of Australia. It's a major city. Can you guess which is a major city in Australia? That is Sydney. Sydney is a major city in Australia. Now coming to the second one, Brazil. Brazil's flag and Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil and its major city is Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo. Now third comes Canada. We know that its flag, maple leaf is given in the flag, and Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Ottawa is the capital of Canada and the major city is Toronto. The major city is Toronto. Now coming to the fourth one is China. Its capital is Beijing. China capital is Beijing. Shanghai is the major city here. Shanghai is a major city in China. Now India, its capital is New Delhi, as you know, and the largest city is Mumbai, which is in Maharashtra. Okay, India, the capital city is New Delhi and the major city is Mumbai. Next coming Morocco. Morocco, its capital is Rabat. Morocco's capital is Rabat, but its large city is Casablanca. Casablanca is a major city in Morocco. It's a northwestern country in Africa. Now coming to South Africa, extreme. This country lies extreme south of African continent. South Africa, its capital is Pretoria. South Africa's capital is Pretoria, but Johannesburg is a major city. You have studied about gold and diamonds are available largely in this area. Okay, Johannesburg is a large city or major city in South Africa. Its next one is Switzerland. Switzerland is a very small country in Europe, very small nation in Europe. Its capital is Bern. Switzerland's capital is Bern. A major city is Zurich. Major city is Zurich. Now coming to United States of America, USA, we shortly call America. Its capital is Washington DC. Washington DC is the capital of America. DC full form District of Columbia, but its major city is New York City. America's major city is New York City. Now coming to the last one and 10th one, Turkey. Turkey is a large portion of Turkey is lying in Asia, but it's a little portion lies in Europe also. Turkey's capital is Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Turkey and its major city Istanbul. Istanbul, as we have said, that the little portion of Turkey is lying in Europe. So Istanbul is a city which was earlier known as Constantinople, the capital of Byzantine Empire. So this portion is lying in Istanbul, is lying in part of Europe. Now coming to the next lesson, scientific feats, 19th chapter. Here match the columns correctly. Here the names of some important personalities are given. We have to match their important achievement. Okay, so first one in the question column like 1 and column 2. You can see the textbook, open and say textbook column 1, column 2. Okay, in the first column, the first question is in 1905, theory of special relativity. Who discovered this theory of special relativity? That is answer comes in the column number 2. C answer, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein invented the theory of special relativity. Now coming to the second question, in 1906 and 1912, third law of in between 1906 to 12, third law of thermodynamics. It was invented by answer is D. Walter Nernst. Okay, Walter Nernst is the answer. Now coming to the third one is 1911. Atomic nucleus was invented by Ernest Rutherford. That is option letter A, Ernest Rutherford. Coming to the fourth point, 1912 continental drift was introduced by option letter B, Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener. Now coming to fifth one, 1913 model of the atom. In 1913 model of the atom was invented by the option letter is F given. Option letter is F, that is Niels Bohr. Now coming to the sixth one, 1913 defined atomic number. That's the option is and E. Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley. Seventh question, 1927 theory of Big Bang. In geography we are studying theory of Big Bang. Its option answer is right answer is I, George Lemaitre. George Lemaitre. Now coming to the eighth one, 1934 discovery of the neutron. Discovery of the neutron, that we have studied about neutrons, protons in the earlier classes also. Option letter is given J is the right answer, James Chadwick. James Chadwick. Now ninth question is 1938. In 1938 nuclear fission was introduced by the option letter answer is G. Otto Hahn. G. Otto Hahn. Now coming to the 10th one, 1996 Roslin Institute. What is Roslin Institute? Option letter is given right answer H. Dolly the sheep was cloned. We know that first cloned sheep was called named Dolly, which was done in Roslin Institute in 1996. And last one or 11th one is 2010 first synthetic bacterial cell was introduced in answer is K, and its answer is option letter is K. Answer is J. Craig Venter. Okay, so who was the person? J. Craig Venter. These are all the answers I will give you in WhatsApp. Please check the answers and learn it immediately. Thank you.